Want to transform your podcast into captivating YouTube videos and reach a whole new audience? Step 1. Hop into your Buzzsprout account and pick the podcast episode you want to repurpose. See this episode that you will be sharing to YouTube. Good. We are going to start by preparing our audio to be ready for a YouTube video. Now, download your audio in a format suitable for video editing. MP3 or WAV usually does the trick and is most compatible. This is your audio foundation. Time to enter your video editing software. You can use any editor you like, from free options to premium packages. Import that audio file into your editor. Now for the fun stuff. Add a visual. This could be a still image, a video clip related to your topic, engaging graphics, or even a simple animated background. This is where you will capture your viewers' attention, so keep it eye-catching. Consider adding text overlays with the episode title, key takeaways, or even timestamps to guide the viewer. Make sure the information is readable and complements your audio. Size it, position it, and ensure it displays the key information needed by your new audience. Spend some time fine-tuning the audio levels to create a balanced and engaging experience. Ensure a smooth introduction and outro, and consider adding any transitions to make the video flow nicely. Export your video in high quality, typically 108p is perfect. Upload it to YouTube. Add a compelling title, include relevant keywords, and write a short description linking back to your original podcast. Now share this video with #podcast marketing, #content art, #EPURPOSING hashtags. Boom. You have repurposed your podcast.